go. Okay, we're at the marina in Daytona Beach Shores, and we are hitting the parking lot where people come to the marina and also go fishing. We are going to hit probably about maybe about 150 cars. So this is just to show you an example of how we just plaster all the cars in the parking lot. This is also the way we do it at the malls. We just take the truck and tape it to the windshield with clear tape so they can easily remove it when they come to leave for the day. Only takes a few seconds per car. Okay, that's the end of this road. Just look around how many we got. Alright, see you on the next video.